Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus and wish you all to stay healthy, stay home and be very, very careful. Now if you have a partner at home, this is a perfect opportunity to learn to dance more together, or a husband or a wife or a boyfriend or a girlfriend, whatever. Now this is, I like to call it as long as a highway, because it's not really that long, but it feels like it's a long combination. I would say intermediate to advanced. There is one really advanced fast move that we have to learn, but not, you will see that in the lesson. This video is to music, so you can see how it's danced. And then if you like to learn it, I have a lesson. The link is in the info card here, and the first link in the description, you can go see it and learn it as well. Let's go to music.